Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of a steaming cup of coffee, a warm hug for your senses. This morning ritual does more than just wake you up. Research reveals that caffeine can set your metabolism ablaze and enhance fat burning, especially during workouts. Visualize this: savoring your favorite brew while effortlessly shedding extra calories. But that's not all. Coffee can also help curb your appetite, making it easier to say no to those tempting pastries that call your name mid-morning. However, beware. If you drown your coffee in sugar or cream, you risk transforming that wholesome drink into a calorie-laden treat. Being mindful of what you mix in is crucial, and don't forget about hydration. Coffee can leave your mouth feeling dry, so pairing it with refreshing water is essential. So, could coffee truly be your partner in weight loss? It's a fascinating thought. What are your opinions? Share your insights in the comments. If this information caught you off guard, give it a thumbs up and spread the word to your friends. Let's keep this conversation going and discover more ways to embrace a healthier lifestyle together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.